Looking at the hole, sir. Everything routine. Just get a sparkly chip. Easy move. You're going downhill. Just get the ball started. Spine angle, Troy. Let's get all the way down on the spine angle. Let's stay there. Slow. Get it there. Look at the hole. Look at the hole. Slow. Get it there. Easy move. That looked a little hard. Make sure you're just getting the ball started. Play the left side of the cup. Get your feet going. The left side of the cup. Open that left foot up. Open the club up now. Left side of the cup. Just get the ball started. Let it roll. That's a great move, Troy. That's a great move. Come grab the putter.